Come on, you. In you come. Will you do as you're told?
This is why we need a safety gate now.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, look at little Jensen in as well. Look, Steve, come and get this quick. Oh,
Trouble. There we go. Trouble.
Get him out. Is it? Where's your babies?
Where are they?
That's spraying that pool up, please.
Scared the life out of him then, that
Did it? What, the bark? Have you learned? I think I've learned how to bark.
Yeah. Little Sam. What are you doing? Uh-oh, double trouble. They're everywhere, aren't they? Yeah. Oops! That was a bit silly. Just bowled him over.
Cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at the tails wagging.
Clean up after them now.
Yeah, well, they won't have any difference, aren't they?
Sam, go on out, babes.
He doesn't want escaping.
I know, that's why we need the safety gate. Sam, come on out. Go on in your bed, Sammy boy. Come on.
Hello, Millie, and he's yours. Uh-oh.
They're bark and growl now.
Hey, she's eating it, is it?
It's alright, yeah.
No.
As long as they get a few mouthfuls. Because they're still on mum's milk, you see. So she wants to knock them all out of the way and finish off the food. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
she doesn't like it. She doesn't like them eating out of her. But oh, hello. Look at the babies.
Look at them all.
There we go. Watch, don't drop him. Keep holding him tight. Have you got him?
Yeah.
Cute, isn't he? I think you might make, can't you? Because like you've had to clean up all the way and poo. But I don't know what it is. It's just that, I suppose during the day, because you're in and out, in and out, in and out, you're just picking them up as you go along. But obviously when you go to bed and then all them hours, they just built. It's unbelievable. I don't know how they've got it inside them.
You alright? Pup doing okay?
Doing fantastic. Man of many words. Tell me it's doing great.
You look half shattered.
I am.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it is.
I know there was a picture on Facebook not long ago and you look shattered.
There we
You're
go.
always tired, aren't you?
Hello, little fellow.
Always.
Who's that?
Give him all names.
Not yet. There's only 2 boys that haven't been named, but you was naming one, wasn't you?
Yeah, you've got to think of a
Because
name.
you said, I thought you said you wanted to name one. Was it Squeaky?
Squeak.
No, the girl's called Joycey.
Oh.
Then there's Jensen, and then there's 2 boys. But we
That's
was
the
waiting
girl.
for you because you said, was it Squeaky you wanted to call, or Squeaks?
Yeah,
What was it you said? Can you remember?
Squeaks or something.
Squeaks.
Yeah.
So one's called Squeaks, so now there's 1 boy's name left to choose.
Watching.
You're
What should we call it?
Jeff.
Nicklin.
Nix. Come on, Nix.
Yeah, Nix.